Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. Oh, I didn't adjust my book to the right page. There we go. Okay, get your choppers ready. I'll say each sound and then you repeat the sounds and then together we'll blend the word. Ick. Thick. Thumb. Shock. Shock. Chef. Chef. Chill. Chill. Them. Ip. Whip. Good job. All right. Get your arms ready. We're going to punch out some ending sounds. Remember, all these ending sounds are digraphs, and we're going to slide the word across and then punch out that ending sound. The first word is bath. Bath. Splash. Splash. Remember, we want to make sure that we're really like punching that sound out and enunciating it. Not like splash, like we want it splash. Next one, which. Which. That's a WH word, which is why I said it like that. Sometimes when we say it, when we're talking, it sounds like we say it with a w sound, but it's a w. The next word is broth. Broth. Such. Such. Dash. Dash. Pitch. Pitch. Month. Month. Lunch. Lunch. And dish. Dish. Good. All right, now we're going to segment some phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop each sound out. Let's see, I think I have 2 4-sound challenge words in here that we'll try at the end. And I even have a 2-sound word in here. The first one is them. Check. Check. Ship. Ship. Which. Which. Shack. Shack. Okay, here's our 4-sound word. Chomp. Chomp. Good. Our next 4-sound challenge word is chance. Chance. Good. And our last challenge word is why. Only 2 sounds in this one. Here we go. I. Good job. All right, get your fists ready. We're going to do phoneme substitution. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is thick. Change to ch. Chick. The word is chin. Change ch to thin. The word is whip. Change to ship. The word is thumb. Change to chum. The word is when. Change to then. Good job. All right. Now we're going to add some phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of our word, the rhyme. Add a beginning sound. These are all going to be digraphs. We'll put them together to make a new word. The word is. Add to the beginning. Whiz. The word is am. Add sh to the beginning. Sham. The word is ill. Add ch to the beginning. Chill. The word is ink. Add th to the beginning. Think. The word is ant. Add ch to the beginning. Chant. Good. Last exercise, phoneme deletion. So we'll start with our word and we're going to remove the beginning sound. See what we're left with. The word is chance. Without ch, the word is ants. The word is thick. Without th, the word is ick. The word is shock. Without sh, the word is awk. The word is chunk. Without ch, the word is unk. The word is thus. Without the word is us. Good job today.